Hi everyone, this is Julia and you're welcome to Julia Inspired Lifestyle Channel. On this channel, I talk about how to make money, how to save money, how to manage your money using the US stock market as your vehicle to build wealth. So in today's video, I'll be talking to you about the stocks that I'm looking at that you can buy. You can earn up to $100 depending on your capital, your risk tolerance, and the knowledge and how good you are in trading stocks. So flow with me and I'm going to share with you one or two things. So we have a money community. If you're interested, join us. Come on in, come on in. When people sleep, we earn dollars. So we have a mix of our swings and our passive income earnings. So if you think this is the kind of thing you will love, please shoot us email. We have our email in the description. So let's talk about this week. So I'm going to pull up something and let's talk. So this is investing.com. You can download it in your phone. Just go to the Play Store and then type investing.com. But on the laptop, this is how it appears. And I do a lot of things with it. But for today, I'm looking at the economic calendar. I'm looking at the things that are going to be making waves this week. This is going to be a crazy week. And I have to tell you, it's good to be on alert this particular week. We may be seeing a bull trap, meaning that you think that since markets pulled up last week, it's going to continue. But no, it may be a bull trap. Or maybe markets can continue to go further up. Maybe the push we had last week, we may continue this week, but that is dependent on the things that we'll be seeing this week. So it's going to be a crazy week. Trade with flexibility. If you understand that word, if you don't, you need to join my community and I teach you how we do this. So let's look at it. If you know you have set a price target and you have hit your price target, please sell. Don't be greedy. Discipline is one important thing when it comes to the stock market, especially when you're a short-term trader on some stocks. So this week I will say follow your watch list, mark your key points of support and resistance, and I got your back. So for today, let's talk. So this is I pulled off the week this week economic calendar. So let's see, this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday. Let's roll over to Tuesday. Today is Monday, so let's look at Tuesday because there isn't anything serious happening on Monday. So, but on Tuesday, you can see core PPI and the July report for PPI for month to month and year to year is going to be up. And even after that, we'll be having a member of FOMC speak to us, but that may not move the market. This is what we are looking at. This is what we are expecting. And this was the last one. So let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday is CPI. So each time you look at it, always look at the flags. Okay, so I'm looking at the US. So this is Wednesday, core CPI and year to year and month to month for the month of July. We are already in August. The effect of this result will change the direction of the market, either to take it higher up or to bring it low. Why am I bringing this information? These are the kind of things you should be looking at if you want to make, stock market your, want to retire, leveraging on this particular skill. This is something you should know how to do. And I want to show you something I saw this morning on CNBC. You can also get CNBC on your app, or you can just, read it from the web. So this was published this morning, about 43 minutes ago. You can see market sell-off won't last for one key reason. There is no tech bubble to burst. So if you notice, the most affected in this recent sell-off has been the tech stocks. And the CIO is saying, this is the Crossbridge Capital Chief Investment Officer. He's saying that he's not seeing any reason, meaning that the stocks are most likely going to pull up and this is not going to go further down, So, but this is his own view. I don't know. I am going to be watching. For me, I prefer to look at the market direction and the trend instead of reading a lot of things. He may be making sense, but I rather keep my eyes on the market. Now, let's go to the stock for the day. There are two stocks that I'll be looking at, and I'm going to be sharing this with you. So, the very first one I'm going to share with you is, let's look at NVDIA because that is the number one on my list, NVDIA. So I'm going to reduce this so you get to see. So these are the areas I have marked. These are my buy zones, okay? So once this stock enters 100 down to So once it enters 100 and I see it gets to the 95, 93 zone, I will be buying more. So paraventure market opens and it begins to drop back into the zone. This box, highlighted box area, is where I intend to buy this particular stock. NVIDIA is a monster stock, and I know that this stock is going to have a good comeback. So this is an opportunity for a lot of people who screamed, "Oh, I missed NVIDIA when it was $80 and now it ran to 1,000." Now they had the stock split and we are back down to 140, and it still came down from 140 to 90 something, about 92. So this is an opportunity. Let's look closely on the 5 minutes candle, and so that I will show you something. You can see that this is pre-market, meaning that market is not open yet, but this is the movement. So it jumped from 104 to 105. Now, what are the things I'm looking at? Like I said, I'm looking that if this sells off into the 100, and I will buy. But the one I already have, if I see it make a move to about 107, I will sell because of tomorrow PPI and Wednesday CPI. The market may react and it may drop off. So if it drops off, I will buy back again. So that is the kind of opportunities I'm looking out for. Another stock I'll be looking out for, which I want to show you, is UVXY. So this stock is a BS stock, is a VIX short-term ETF. So what happens is that when stocks are going up, it's coming down. When stocks starts coming down, especially the tech stocks and the semiconductor stocks, it starts to go up. Look at what happened a few days ago. Let me pull off the 1 hour candle. So this is what happened. This stock for some time has been within 20 to 23, 24. And suddenly this stock, we bought it last week around $24, $23, $24, and this stock ran as high as 65. In fact, it touched 68 at pre-market, but when market opened, it was around $62. And since then, it has been selling off. Why? Because NVIDIA, Microsoft, Meta, all the tech stocks, all stocks are pulling up and it is dropping. And I see this making another attempt. I don't know exactly when, but this stock, once it enters 27, I will start to buy some of it, so that peradventure the market reverses downward and it begins to move up. I can sell from 40, 50, 60, sell in batches, 25, 25, 25, 25%. So this is my strategy that I'm sharing with you, which I believe can change your mind, can change the game for you. So these are the two stocks that I am looking at. To give you any bonus one, I want to talk about CLEANSPARK. Let's look at CLEANSPARK. The CLEANSPARK is actually a Bitcoin stock, all right? And for a very long time, it has been within this range. It's been trading between, we've been trading this stock from 15 to 18, 15 to 19, 15 to 20, back and forth several times. Each time it comes down here, we buy, it goes up, we sell, comes down. This is what we've been doing. But recently, due to the sell-off, they were also affected, and it broke this particular support. So now it has a new support. So now that it has a new support, we're looking around here. So what am I looking for? If this stock breaks above here, I know it's entering back into this phase. Okay, so this is a bonus stock that I'm talking about now. If it breaks here, it is heading up here. So if you have the patience, you can grab this stock at $11, and you can watch this stock get to $20 between now and December. I told you a few months ago, about 2 months ago, about Palantir when it was around $20. Those that listened to me bought it at $20. As at Friday, it touched $30. Imagine that kind of move, and you're earning this in dollars. So this is why I feel that this video is important to you. So make sure you watch this video, and these are the areas you should be looking out for, and these are the kind of things you should be doing to make your money work for you. This is exactly how to make your money work for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press on the smash button. Just click on the like button for us. Subscribe if you have not. If you really want to be making money in the stock market, you should be watching the videos we put out in this channel. And please drop a comment. If there's a stock you want me to analyze or talk about, please drop it and I will do justice to it in the next video. I wish you a very beautiful week and do have a lovely, lovely day. See you in the next video.